Hey, my revivers, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Just wanted to share some of the new chakra stones that came in, and these are what they look like. And these are all the stones that coincide with each chakra. And each stone is for the balancing and alignment of the chakras. And remember, the universe, God, whatever you want to call your higher power, has created everything that we need on this earth to heal us. From HIV to cancer, it is possible for us to manifest healing in our lives, but we have to believe. A lot of times we don't believe in those things, so therefore we don't have it happen and it doesn't manifest, and your energy and your thoughts and stuff attract what you consistently think of. So these here are the chakra stones, and in each bag you have clear quartz, carnelian, blue lace agate, pink quartz, amethyst, and tiger's eye, and what else we have in here, and red jasper. And then over here to the side are the aventurine, is so weird to say them stones. I have a palm stone that's going to be shipped out to someone, and then I have small ones, and these are for a person that gives so much and doesn't keep enough energy for themselves. They're depleting themselves of energy in order to make others happy and not themselves. And that's what this particular stone is for. It's like it assists you to open up your heart and receive all good life has to offer, and perfect for those that are always giving and have a hard time receiving. We need to learn to receive as well as we give. So yeah. So I'm going to be shipping out these chakra stones, and if you ordered a meditation kit, I will be shipping those meditation kits out. Some of you are waiting on certain color rugs, the custom colored rugs. So those probably won't go out till the end of this week, probably no later than Saturday. And for those of you that I spoke to while I was out of town, those items that you requested, like some of the tincture chimes and stuff like that, those will be leaving out Tuesday. So the chimes, if you order chimes or chakra stones or any chakra info cards, those will be going out Tuesday. But the kits, the full-blown kits, probably won't be going out till Saturday. So I will be sending tracking numbers out so you guys can track those packages, because I usually send them within like 3-day shipping. So that's what you pay for. So yeah. All right, guys. I hope you guys are having an awesome Monday. And remember, we are energy. We create our reality, and we attract what we think about most. So if you have anxiety, depression, worry, and all those things, those things allow you to keep attracting those same things over and over, because you're constantly thinking about them in a negative way. So it's going to bring that negative energy to you. All right, guys, I got to go. I got work to do. I have to get online and do a session with some clients that are in another state. So I shall talk to you guys later, Gators. And remember, stick to your script, because you are the best at it. Have an awesome night, my revivers.